Hey y'all, Games here. I am back, finally. It's been a while. But today, because people have been asking me about it, uh, my super secret old school fishing bait. Hang tight and I'll show you what it is. Alright. Oh, hello. So, here's what it is. That old school fishing bait, it's Wheaties. I know. The cereal, yes. Yep. Basically, what it is take some Wheaties, a handful or whatever. Just you'll figure it out eventually. But take some Wheaties, as you can see, and you put them in your mouth. Put them in your mouth and you chew them up. Hang on. Well, I've already done this quite a few times. But here's the thing. The human saliva is, some of you may know and some of you may not know. Human saliva is sticky and stinky. And when you put some of these Wheaties in your mouth, chew them up, make a paste, all the natural glues and sugars within the cereal and the wheat form a paste. And when it dries, it's like a rubber ball. I don't know if you remember back in school, but you know, you used to make paste to paper mache, stuff like that. But anyway, yeah, also, like I said, human saliva is stinky also. So you can make these any size, and it withstands temperatures, cold and hot. It'll stay on your hook. But yep, that's what it is. Wheaties cereal. Fishing bait. Works for everything. And there you have it. Hey everyone. Yeah, and there they are. The Wheaties balls, fishing bait that I was telling you about. Now these have been drying in the sun. And like I said, you could mold it on to a hook. That's not a big hook, but it's a hook that will work. And once that dries, it almost is impenetrable by water. It turns into a rubber ball, if you will. And of course, it's got the stinkiness of the human saliva and whatever. It's a fish love it. You can make them big, small, whatever size. But the other thing too is you can get the kids involved. If you don't want to feel like chewing up a bunch of Wheaties, yeah, it'd be a fun project for the kids. Hey, chew on this. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. Super secret old school fishing bait. And I mean, I'm telling you, I mean, I've used it all my life. And like I said, my grandmother turned me on to this when I was a little kid. And she always caught fish. She went fishing every day, pretty much. And would always just give cane poles, old school now. But give it a shot. See what you think. And hey, if anything else, you had fun doing it, enjoying the outdoors, and you learned something new. Alright, peace out. Have fun. Be safe.
So if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit that little bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I come out with something new. Till the next video, have fun, be safe, and peace out.